Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Chris. Peztio sent me another camera to review. So if you guys recall, I did a nice little Dashcam review back when I had my Cayman, and this is the new one that they sent over. So this one has two cameras on it, one that faces out the front of your car and one that faces into the cabin and also gives you rear visibility. Obviously having a Dashcam is really important to protect yourself and your car in any event that an accident or any sort of damage to the car happens. You can use it in an insurance case or as proof that would benefit your case. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at it. So packaging itself is pretty simple, nothing crazy here. Looks like this is probably the camera in this little baggie here. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, so I just took out this little filler piece here. So we've got some. This is the power adapter for it. Looks like they gave me a 32 gigabyte memory card. It's Peztio branded, so I'll give that one a shot. That's very nice of them. The one that I had before did not come with a memory card, so I appreciate that, obviously. And then, let's see. Some sticky tape. Looks like a warranty card. Nice little gift card or something like that. And I think this is just the directions of how to use it. So this is the actual camera right there. All right, so here's the camera in all its glory. I took it out of its little packaging. You can see it comes with a little piece of sticky tape there as well. Okay, so this you can see right here. This little piece folds out, and I presume it just sticks onto your windshield like so. I'm gonna look at the directions on that to make sure. Maybe it sticks on this way. This sticks to it like that, and then you have a level camera facing front ways and backwards. Very nice. So it looks like there's an SD card slot. This is likely the charging port, and looks like maybe a small microphone port, but not exactly sure. I have the memory card plugged in, and this on the back here is actually a giant screen, which is really cool. And just go ahead and hit the power button on it. So hold that down. You can now see the view out the front and the view of myself sort of hanging out behind the camera there. Kind of hard to see, but very nice. Looks like it's really decent quality too. I mean, that's a very sharp image. So, but basically this just lives in your car permanently, and it will stick on the windshield. And it looks like it holds a battery charge, but the sticker that was on the screen recommended using the charging cable. So if you can use one, use it. And then of course, this camera on the side over here, let me move this out of the way so you can see the view from the camera. I can actually twist this up or down or angle it whichever way you need to. So depending on the type of car you're going to be using this in, you can adjust the viewing angle inside the cabin for a better view. So this is good if you have a car, I mean, especially like my car, the Lambo, it has a really small back window. Not that you can see much out of it, but I can at least angle this a little bit to get more light from the rear window in rather than just looking at the seats or the firewall. But overall, really cool camera. There's the front side of it. Let me brighten this up a bit. But pretty sweet. I like it a lot. This is a lot nicer than the other one that I got. I think this one, they didn't give me a price as far as how much this one's going to cost. The other one I believe was about 50 bucks. So sort of your run-of-the-mill dash cam. This one I presume will be more than that. But obviously this one's taking some pretty quality footage for you. And having the dual video is really nice. You can see it's dated down here. So probably one of the best features of these cameras are, if you can see that parking monitor paragraph, if the camera detects any sort of movement or shaking, it'll turn on and begin recording, which is really nice. So obviously, if you're leaving the car somewhere at a show, unattended, maybe you're parking it on the street somewhere for dinner. So another nice thing about this, obviously the screen is on and eating up battery power. At night it might be a little bit bright, but you can actually just turn that off with a short press of the power button. So I'll go ahead and do that. There you go. So this is still on. It'll be recording for you. And then you just click it again and it's back on. And the way you know that it's not off, it'll make a chime when it turns off. So if I hold down the power button, you'll hear it make a little noise. It's pretty cool. So I think this is honestly a really cool little gadget. Looks like it records 1080p, 30 frames per second there. So that's plenty of quality for you. What I'm gonna do is try and get some footage with this now. I will post a link as well in the description below for you guys to buy this. This is really, really a cool item. I thank Peztio for hooking me up with another product of theirs and to review it. I really appreciate them supporting the channel. I'm always happy to do that for products. So thanks again to them for sending me this awesome camera. I'll use it all the time in my cars, and just like I use the other one. And yeah, let's get some footage with this thing.
Hey YouTube, this is Chris. I am now doing a video with the Peztio dual camera dash cam. So I am driving here on the Florida Turnpike, and I just figured this is a nice straight road to get some footage of the dash cam. So I don't have the dash cam actually mounted to my windshield. I'm just holding it with my hand. But you can see me, you can see ahead out at the highway up there, and hopefully you guys can, get a little bit of an audio quality test as well. Again, it is 1080p, so it should be pretty good quality footage. And yeah, I just really quickly wanted to show you guys some footage from this so you guys can get an idea of what the quality of video is like. With that, I think that pretty much sums everything up. Just plain and simple, wanted you guys to get some test footage with this thing. But thank you guys very much for watching and for supporting the channel. We just hit 5,000 subscribers. I'll make a nice video talking about that in a little bit once I get the Gallardo back. And thank you, Peztio, for being a supporter of this channel through and through. Really appreciate you guys sending me these products to review. Feel free to use these videos however you'd like to advertise the products. And again, thank you guys very, very much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I have tons and tons of other car videos and product videos and things of that nature. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Take care.